Modular wall flexibility upgrades let you adapt new home construction to changing household needs without major demolition. Start by planning zones rather than fixed rooms so mechanical, electrical, and plumbing chases are accessible and located where future reconfiguration will be easiest. Use sliding pocket doors to create quick visual separation while keeping floor space clear, and choose operable partitions that stack or fold into pockets for large open plans that can become private when needed. Specify demountable non-load-bearing wall systems with standardized stud modules and simple fastening so walls can be removed or reinstalled by a competent contractor with basic tools. Integrate built-in storage dividers that combine shelving and cabinetry into partition footprints to reduce the need for separate furniture during reconfiguration. Design electrical and low-voltage wiring on accessible raceways and use plug-and-play junction points so receptacles and switches can be moved without cutting walls. When selecting finishes, pick surface systems that are easy to patch and match, like modular panel systems or large format tiles to hide seams when panels are swapped. 3 common mistakes are making structural walls into movable ones without an engineer, and then discovering you cannot safely remove them, so always verify load paths and consult a structural engineer before altering framing. A second issue is putting plumbing inside partitions that are hard to access, which causes expensive repairs, so route plumbing through planned chases or use flexible supply lines and accessible service panels. The third is under specifying electrical flexibility, which results in excessive rewiring later, so place extra conduits, reserve space for future panels, and use modular electrical enclosures so circuits and outlets can be relocated with minimal disruption. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like modular wall upgrades and adaptable layouts, and we help people find local contractors for specific tasks. We also host a discussion community where our members share experience trade-offs and contractor recommendations so both homeowners and contractors can find opportunities and practical advice.